Hello guys, welcome to Jaybest Tech. Today I'll be showing you how you can actually test for diode. That is to say, how you can know if your diode is bad or your diode is still working. So watch, let's see, let's go there. Okay guys, this is a multi-tester, and also consider the diode here. This is a diode. Okay, you can see this is the positive part of the diode, while this is the negative part of the diode. So what you need to do, you need to proceed, you need to test the meter by adjusting this thing to the by turning it to ohms. You can see that when that red light, show that the thing is reading. You can also see the meter. You can see that it read. So to proceed, this diode, this is the positive part of the diode, while this is the negative part of the diode. We test if this diode is actually still working. You need to place this positive part of the multimeter lead to the positive part of the diode, and the negative part of it, the negative part of the diode, like this. Okay, you can see that it's in red. Okay, it read to show that this thing is still working. Why to if you want to turn around, put the positive part of the negative part and the negative part of the positive negative lead to the positive part of the diode, it won't read. The reason is because this capacitor is actually still working. But in a case whereby when you do it like this, it reads. That's to say that the diode is bad. So the diode is bad, so you need to change the diode, you need to throw away the diode, or you need to replace the diode. So thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. If you find this video interesting, if you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends, and also don't forget to hit the subscription button to have a video pertaining text, pertaining electronics. Thank you very much. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and also hit the like button. If you find challenge in this video, please do well to click on the comment box and place the challenge through comment there. Thank you very much.